Mar Jopuonjre mbalariany ma Nairobi mong'ere kaka University of Nairobi Students Association na UNSA koro dwaro mondo mi piny owacho okaw okang' manyalo tieko ywaruok manie tend mbalarianyno gino ma oserocho chenro mag skulno. Kata bang' duol mochung' ne chenro mag mbalariany dwaro mondo mi jalup chancellor mar mbalarianyno ngire Stephen Kiama odhi e yweyo, nyaka sani Kiama pod otamore kawo thuolo mar yweyo kowacho ni chikno ne ok okete winjruok e yo makare kendo odhi ataro gi chike mag duol mag mbalariany mag University of Nairobi.
We have been told that as the students we don't have any business meddling in administrative or management issues. But our question is, shall we keep quiet and watch as everything fall apart? Shall we keep quiet when we cannot get services that we have paid for? Shall we keep quiet when our students are not being taught because the lecturers are confused as to who is running the school, as to who is giving instructions? As the student representatives, we are saying that we shall not keep quiet. Part of our mandate is that we shall voice the muffled voices of the students.
We are asking the Public Service Commission and the head of Public Service Commission to weigh in on this matter. Reason being, the students are now at unrest. The moment he's asked to go on leave, he sends a memo telling that anyone who partakes in this cake will either be apprehended or suspended from the university. That is why we are working on, some students are working on anonymity. We want the rule of law to reign and the government